Welcome to the amazing world of Thousand Vlogs. Shibuya Scramble Crossing, commonly known as Shibuya Crossing, is a popular pedestrian scramble crossing in Shibuya, Tokyo, Japan. It is located in front of the Shibuya Station Hachiko exit and stops vehicles in all directions to allow pedestrians to inundate the entire intersection. The statue of Hachiko, erected in 1932 and subsequently rebuilt in 1948 to honor the dog's legendary loyalty, stands between the station and the intersection. It serves as a common and frequently crowded meeting place. Shibuya Crossing is the world's busiest pedestrian crossing, with as many as 3,000 people crossing at a time. Tokyo-based architecture professor Shane Flint said Shibuya Crossing is a great example of what Tokyo does best when it's not trying.
Vamos a esperar a cruzar.
This intersection is frequently recognized as the busiest pedestrian intersection in the world, with almost no loss of foot traffic at midnight or early morning. Road traffic jams rarely occur, even during rush hours. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist.
Wait!
Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. According to the Shibuya Center Street in 2016, the number of pedestrians crossing the intersection was as much as 3,000 per green light or every 2 minutes. A 2014 flow measurement survey by the Shibuya Redevelopment Association estimated that 260,000 pedestrians per day on weekdays and 390,000 pedestrians on non-working days crossed the intersection. Others estimate as many as 500,000 people on the busiest days. The 2012 Soto Outdoor Media Survey estimated 1.5 million pedestrians per week. Shibuya Crossing is often featured in films and television shows which take place in Tokyo, such as Lost in Translation, The Fast and the Furious, Tokyo Drift, Alice in Borderland, Jujutsu Kaisen, and Resident Evil, Afterlife, Sonic the Hedgehog 3, as well as on domestic and international news broadcasts. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more exciting vlogs.